Good morning, I'm Dana Griffin.
And I'm Richard Evan. Thank you so much for being with us on a cloudy Sunday morning.
Yeah, and we've got some interesting weather. It looks like some flooding is heading our way. What can you tell us about
The
that?
potential of that. So enjoy this morning while you can, but here is where our flood watch is. Just issued a short time ago from the National Weather Service. It goes until 8 o'clock. Tuesday morning is when this is going to extend to, and that's because we've got a lot of rain coming our way. All of the areas shaded in green is where we are seeing the potential of maybe some flash floods over the next few days. Why is that? Well, live Super Doppler 4 HD looks clear in our area. The 120 nautical mile sweep is clean. But if we zoom out a little bit and kind of show you a little further to our west, all the way, look at this, from north of Memphis all the way down right now into southern Louisiana. We had some severe thunderstorm warnings there earlier this morning about 3 o'clock. So it's rumbling, and you can see these yellows right here show you that some intense storms, some heavy rains, and this right here is, if it holds together, we're going to see a lot of rainfall over the next few days. Right now from the Peace Center, downtown Greenville, we are 54 degrees under a cloudy sky, starting to get very cloudy outside. From downtown Spartanburg, look at those clouds starting to build on the horizon. 48 degrees with a light breeze, and that breeze is going to pick up. And this is beautiful from Asheville, looking back out over to the mountains right now. The sunrise peeking through those clouds. We will see some sun today, but more clouds are coming in. 43 degrees currently in Asheville. And of course, it feels a lot warmer this morning than it did this time yesterday morning. Like 20 degrees warmer in Pickens. And coming up in a few minutes, Dana, we're going to track this storm coming our way, tell you about what time it is going to head our direction. And taking a live look at Lake Hartwell right now, you can see a little sun peeking through, but clouds are starting to take over. We'll take what time the rain's going to get here coming up next.
Well, thank you so much, Casey, for being here with us. We're going to send it on over to Richard.
Dana, thank you very much. Taking a look at radar right now, these storms coming out of Louisiana and into Mississippi are bringing a lot of rain our direction. We'll tell you how much coming up next. Good Sunday morning. It is 7:15 and we have a flash flood watch. It's been issued for our area until 8 o'clock Tuesday morning. You did not hear that incorrectly. Until Tuesday morning, 8 o'clock, all the counties and areas shaded in green right now. The northern part of upstate South Carolina, southern western North Carolina, and then northeast Georgia included in this flood watch. And we want to be on the lookout for the possibility of flooding over the next few days, because right now, even though Super Doppler 4 HD is not showing much in our area, it is going to be busy. Chris Justice tonight will be tracking a lot of weather moving into our area, so make sure that you stay tuned to him. This is what he's going to be watching as it moves closer to our area right now, coming up just north of Memphis, all the way back down into Louisiana, starting to make its way into Mississippi. And look at all of that moisture and thunderstorms associated with this. This is going to come our direction, and it's going to cause a potential for maybe up to 4 inches of rain. Let's time it out for you right now with future radar and clouds. Tonight by 9 o'clock, we'll start seeing the rain really start to invade the area right now. Our chance tonight, probably after 6 o'clock, about a 30% chance of showers. And then look at that. We're going to see some heavy storms come through depending upon where you live. And we're looking at some of these areas look yellow, orange, and red. Those are going to get the heaviest amounts of rainfall. If that low shifts, this could move around a bit. But right now, we think the upstate is going to see most of the rain. Western North Carolina still could see a couple of inches of this as it passes through. And once it's out of here, we've got another front that's going to come through Tuesday into Wednesday. So for the next 12 hours, we're going to watch our temperature climb from the middle 50s all the way up into the 60s. Not quite up to 70. We're going to get up to 67 degrees. But look, at 2 o'clock today, we see that chance of rain start to rise on us into the evening. And overnight, we could see the rain turn into showers throughout the evening. Right now in the area, we're looking at 54 degrees from Paris Mountain in Greenville. Winds out of the north at 5 miles per hour. In Lawrence County, you are at 48 degrees. Winds are calm, but we're going to watch these wind gusts pick up later on this morning. Right now, again, they're at 5, but we could see them get up all the way to 15, 20 miles per hour. Your debate forecast, if you're going to go to the Democratic debate for the governor candidates tonight at Furman University. Pre-debate, 6 o'clock, cloudy, mild, rain starting to move in. It'll be in the middle 60s. A chance of showers 63 when the debate starts and the candidates are on the stage. And post-debate, as you start to leave, make sure you got a rain jacket with you and an umbrella. So your 4-day forecast looks like this. 40% chance of a shower later this afternoon. 67 will be our high. Tomorrow, when it comes through, we're going to see heavier rain, 90% chance. We could see 2 inches of rain tomorrow along, but look, temperature falls 10 degrees from today's high. Rain continues through the rest of the week. We're going to watch it rain all the way through Thursday. Eventually, it'll start to burn off there just a bit. We'll see the sun come back out, temperatures rise, and it is going to look good. So, Dana, the rule of thumb for the next few days, keep an umbrella handy.
Well, in this morning's Buzz, we celebrate a pianist who has been composing and playing music for almost, get this, a century.
Wow.
This is Colette Mays, and she's from Paris, France. She is 103 years old. She owns 3 pianos and plays them every single day. Colette Mays was born in 1914 and has been playing the piano since she was 4 years old. Wow, she recently released her 4th album, which she says is inspired by French composer Claude Debussy.
There's something about watching someone play the piano that is just so relaxing for me, and I don't know why.
Yeah.
A talent I've never had, but it's great. 103.
That's amazing.
Man.
Well, good for her.
Hope I'm listening to pianos at that age.
You will be. WYFF News 4 Today continues right now.